It has been a pretty easy transition to the 3 nanometer process node for TSMC, mostly because the foundry reserved majority of the chips for Apple's A17 Pro chip, which is used to power the 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. TSMC also give Apple a sweet deal, which puts all the risk on TSMC instead of Apple. The yield in the first year was 70%, which was pretty bad, but TSMC smoothly helped Apple kick off the 3 nanometer age for smartphone chipsets. It has also had hard work for preparing the next node known as 2 nanometer node. Originally, TSMC was planning to the production in 2025, but now it's delayed up to 2026. 2 nanometer is very important for TSMC. It will replace the FinFET transistors with gate all around. The latter uses vertically stacked nanosheets, allowing the gates to touch the channels on all 4 sides, which reduces current leakage, lowers energy consumption, and improves the drive current. Samsung Foundry already uses GAA with its 3 nanometer node, but 2 nanometer will debut with TSMC. The new report has said that TSMC has slowed down the construction of one of the facilities needed for the 2 nanometer production. This has been blamed on overall slowdown in the demand for semiconductors. The report says that the revised construction schedule will move 2 nanometer production to 2026. TSMC has said that the report is not denied the report is accurate. It is pressurized to consider doing so because Samsung Foundry is still on target to push out 2 nanometer chipsets in 2025.